going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is pretty much a voiceover of my friend's tribute,
Hey guys,
whatever
say
you
hello
want
to
to
the
call it,
camera.
to me, not showing up for this event, which I
Say hello to the camera.
deeply
This is
sorry
Marcus.
that I did not do that. But yeah, let's roll into it.
I expect you to do that. Don't give me shit about
Say
it.
hello to my
Don't
friend
give me a
Marcus.
lame-ass excuse about it. Don't tell me that you took your mag out.
Marcus, we're taking video for you.
Battery, don't tell me.
This is why we got one of the best squads in the universe. Nobody can't touch us. Like, when one guy sits out, all of us sits out. That's all my teammates are good. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it, boy.
Alright. Pistols have to be holstered at all times when they are off the field. If you don't have a holster, you have to have a barrel bag on it. It cannot just go in your pocket like you nonchalantly wanted to, because I've seen some weird.
You want to say hello to our brother that couldn't make it, Marcus?
Discharges
Take a
their
video
pistol
for
in
him.
their pocket. We don't want to be that guy today.
Alrighty.